Alright, so finally, after equipping ourselves with all this basic knowledge, we are ready to create our very own first AWS account. So I'm already on the main AWS page, which is under aws.amazon.com, and we will click this button on the right top corner, create an AWS account. The first thing we will need to do, let me make it a little bigger. The first thing we need to do is to give our root email address. So I will give learnbriefly.dev, and let's call this account maybe briefly learn. Just so you know, briefly.dev is a main domain where the blog resides and my YouTube channel also. So that's why this domain. So let's do verify email address. I will go here to fetch the code from my other browser. Okay, here it is. Let's verify. And that's verified. Now we will be going to the root user password. So the password must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least 3 of the following: uppercase, lowercase number, non-alphanumeric characters. So I will type the password, confirm it, and let's click continue. Another step will be contact informations. So how do you plan to use it? We will choose personal for your own project, because this is something that probably you will choose. And now let's type all of our details. And let's click I have read and agreed to the terms of the service. And now the billing information. So this is very crucial and important. Besides the free tier and despite the free tier, we need to give our credit card to the AWS. We will not charge you for the usage below AWS free tier limits. We may temporarily hold up to $1 or an equivalent amount in local currency as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. So you need to give away the details of your credit card here, but we will set up the budget later so you can monitor your costs if needed. So I will type all of my details. And let's click verify and continue. I will be probably asked by the bank also to confirm this transaction. We are back after the data was confirmed and the transaction happened, and now confirm your identity. So either text message or a voice call. So once again, I will type my data. Okay, and waiting for the SMS code. The code arrives, so let's type it. And another step done. The last step is select a support plan. So choose a support plan for your business or personal account. We will stick with the basic support, which is a free one, and this is something that probably also you will choose. There are other types of support. If you would like to contact AWS with some matter other than account and billing issues only, then you are allowed to do that in the paid support plans like developer or business. But for now, and for the sake of this course, let's stick to basic one and let's do complete sign up. And hey, congratulations. Thank you for signing up with AWS. So we will be ready to proceed to our account in the next video.